Hi there, I am Mohammed. Today we are going to learn together about the human body. So, let's begin.
Tunga, tunga, tongue, tongue. Munnur, munnur. Mouth, mouth. Tönn, tönn. Tooth, tooth. Varir, varir. Lip, lip. Háls, háls. Neck, neck. Barkalók, barkalók. Epiglottis, epiglottis. Raddbönd, raddbönd. Vocal cords, vocal cords. Blóðrásarkerfi, blóðrásarkerfi. Circulatory system, circulatory system. Blóð, blóð. Blood, blood. Rauð blóðkorn, rauð blóðkorn. Red blood cell, red blood cell. Hvít blóðkorn, hvít blóðkorn. White blood cell, white blood cell. Hjarta, hjarta. Heart, heart. Bláæð, bláæð. Vein, vein. Ónæmiskerfi, ónæmiskerfi. Immune system, immune system. Vefur, vefur. Tissue, tissue. Taugavefur, taugavefur. Nervous tissue, nervous tissue. Bandvefur, bandvefur. Connective tissue, connective tissue. Þekjuvefur, þekjuvefur. Epithelium, epithelium.